I spy with my little eye a damn fine ZX-6R. Well guys, I'm still in the process of getting her together, but as you can see, we got the new exhaust on, plastics on for the most part, still working on it, but it's on enough to be mounted. And I'm loving that exhaust way too much. Oh my God, listen to that. Oh guys, I gotta say, this exhaust is pretty fucking beast. Just gonna go do a quick test run of it. God, guys, this is the best sounding exhaust I've ever heard on my bike. Oh guys, I'm in love with this exhaust. So far though, you guys can see I got most of the fairings done. Damn, this is only 7K and it sounds like I'm at like 10. Well guys, I gotta say, I am completely in love with this exhaust so much. Not to mention the brand new fairings and all the parts. It's like my bike feels real legit now. Hope you guys can hear me just as good still though. And the good thing is, we got headlights now again. That work. So today, got a new Ram air mount, upper fairing stay, windshield, fairings. Oh god, it's just all the works. Oh god, yeah. She's feeling real good. I thought I'd give you guys a quick little exhaust video real quick. Oh, it feels so good to be riding this again. You know what it sounds like? It sounds like Yummy's exhaust. Kinda does. Since we're by the mansion hilltop, let's go ahead and see what it looks like up there at night. Oh man, this thing's just so loud. That's only 9K. Up here you can actually see the sun and the moon. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Well guys, there she is. Look at her. She's looking real good. These fairings came a little scuffed up from the manufacturer, so they're going to require a tad bit of buffering. You probably can't see it that good in this light, but it's not that bad, but it needs to be taken care of. Here's the new pipe. Looking real good. And yeah, everything came out pretty decent today. Headlights still work. They've been sitting there the whole time. There you guys go. Look at the beautiful view. Mansion hilltop view at night. Oh, almost at night. It's fucking gorgeous. And then the big old moon just hovering right there. Oh man, I love this exhaust because I love the idle. It's just it sounds like a muscle car style like idle. That's what I like. It's just like a raw fucking beast sound. Oh man, I got a killer cramp in my foot right now. And look at that moon, that shit's killer. guys, I hope you enjoy the exhaust. I sure as hell do in the new bike. And look forward to seeing some more of her, okay? So you guys have a good day, and